southwest of Germany, right on the French border, among the hills and mountains, lies the city of Freiburg. And around 330 kilometers north is Cologne, a bustling city of 1 million people, the fourth largest in Germany. Very much the opposite of cozy Freiburg. But that's where the differences end, as these cities' clubs have been changing the Bundesliga landscape.
He has lifted the roof off this place. Not all superheroes wear capes.
There's so much linking these two underdogs. FC Köln enjoying their best season in 30 years. April was a prime example.
It's Özcan. Good save.